Look, my curls are for sure popping. Look at that. Even my twists don't even want to stay in. Like low-key shook.
If you want to hear my thoughts about Cardi B's conditioning treatment, keep watching. But first, hit that subscribe button and that like button to show me some love. All right, let's dive in. First, I'm adding 1 avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin. It helps seal cuticle cells, which imparts shine and prevents breakage. Next, I'm adding 2 eggs. Egg yolks help moisturize hair. Egg whites are a great source of protein. Eggs are said to help promote growth. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo with avocado oil. This helps strengthen and thicken your hair strands. It also helps reverse heat and color damage. Finally, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. This thickens your hair, promotes growth, and softens your hair. Then I'm going to blend everything until it's smooth. It is super thick, so I had to mix it quite a few times to make sure that I got it fully blended. Y'all, this makes a super thick mask. You want to make sure that you're blending this concoction or this mask until it's perfectly smooth. Okay, so I am all done here. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this treatment into my bowl so I can apply it to my hair. Y'all, I totally messed up. I didn't use this as a pre-poo treatment like Cardi B did. I used it after I shampooed my hair. Totally messed up. I'll get it right next time.
So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. So you're gonna get my first impressions of this Cardi B, deep conditioning treatment. So I'm gonna take out my twist and apply. This is really smooth. This feels very, very smooth, and I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. Did I really just get some on myself? Yes, I sure did. Yuck. Okay, it's not yuck, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a generous amount onto my hair and just massage it in the same way I would any normal deep conditioning treatment. What's kind of cool about this is since we added eggs to it, it's kind of low-key a protein treatment, especially because we added eggs and mayo in it. So this should be really, really interesting. So yeah, we'll see. But I will say it applies really easy to my hair, and my fingers are gliding, okay, almost glided through my hair. So maybe it's not gliding the way I thought it would be gliding through my hair, but so far it applies really well. I'm just gonna twist up each section as I go. It smells like avocados. It does smell like fresh avocados, which I can appreciate because I love avocados. I kind of want to show you what it looks like in my hair. My fingers are literally gliding through my hair with this treatment, which is awesome. It's a good sign. That's a good sign. All right, so I've already applied this treatment onto this side of my hair and the back half of my hair, so I'm gonna just show you how I apply it to this front corner section of my hair. I will tell you that this treatment makes my hair feel so soft. It's kind of unbelievable, especially because low-key, it's a protein treatment. There are 2 eggs in here, and yet my hair is feeling extremely soft to the touch as I apply it. I will say this concoction is super messy for me, and it could be the way that I go about applying it. It literally drips everywhere. It makes my hair feel very soft and easy to kind of like maneuver. Like, yes, I've got like a couple of, my hair is curly, so it'll tangle up on each other, but for the most part, I can, when I was doing my other sections, I was able to like glide my fingers through my hair with this little concoction. Well, one of the things Cardi B had mentioned in one of her videos where she was explaining this hair treatment is it helps with making your curls pop. And honestly, when you put the product in your hair, your curls do pop. Like, your curls end up looking good. I'll show you in a second. So I'm curious to see if my curls will continue to look like they're popping when I rinse this out, considering they look pretty good with the product in. So like I said, I like it because my hair feels super soft. It applies very smoothly. There are no chunks. So you want to make sure that you blend it very well. This is kind of what it looks like when it's applied to your hair. I like it. I like it. I like it. I do like the way this makes my hair feel. So again, I'm going to be curious to see what my hair feels like after this is like marinated, as Cardi B said in her TikTok. I'll see how my hair feels after it's marinated for a little while and I wash it out. So I'm just going to apply this to the rest of my hair. And honestly, the recipe that I use actually seems to be the perfect amount for my hair. So I won't have to save anything, which I can appreciate and love because I don't like having leftovers of hair products. I like to use, when I do DIYs, I like my DIYs to be pretty fresh unless it's an oil. So yeah. High key, I think Cardi B was onto something with this little DIY mask that she shared with the world. I know she's not the first person to make an avocado mask, but again, I found it kind of intriguing that herself as a celebrity is using DIY, you know, treatments to, you know, care for her hair. I thought that was really cool. So, and then also, I think it was the first time that I ever saw somebody use avocado oil mayonnaise in their hair treatment. So that's good. And I think that kind of adds to why I'm able to apply this so evenly and smoothly and without any issues into my hair. Like, avocado is a super fatty fruit. It's a superfood fatty fruit that has like really good essential fatty acids and stuff like that. So it's essentially one of the healthier, it gives you those healthier fats. Like I said, my hair feels amazing as I apply this to my hair. So I'm really trying to figure out whether I want to put a long-term protective style in my hair. So if you think I should put a long-term protective style in my hair, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up maybe, or drop a heart down below, or make a comment down below, or let me know what you think I should do with my hair. It's been really cool, like, taking some time off from braids to actually like care for my hair with all my DIY treatments. But I'm ready to hit my waistline goal, and I think the way that I'm going to get to that is by doing a long-term protective style for about a good 2 to 3 months. And so I'm debating whether I want to do a 3-month like protective style challenge to close out this year. So if you think I should do a 3-month, I mean, I'm already going to do a September hair growth challenge to kind of get people acquainted to, like, you know, creating a good hair regimen that promotes growth. But I think to optimize your results, I'm going to try to do a 3-month protective style challenge where you can start to implement some of the practices you learned in my September challenge into your normal regimen. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like with the treatment applied all over. My hair smells like straight up avocado. I'm so sorry, my glasses keep slipping. This is how much of it I have left. I'm just gonna apply the excess of this all over my hair like so, because like I said, I don't like saving product. So let me just go ahead and do that. I should probably focus on my ends because, you know, they're the oldest part of your hair, and that's where length retention begins and potentially ends if you're not taking care of your hair. So I'm just gonna apply the remainder of this oil. Like I said, I do like the way it felt as I was applying it to my hair. Like, it really applied very easily and very well to my scalp. So I'm really excited about that. So yeah. The thing about it is, sis did not tell us how long she keeps this product in her hair. I think she said let it marinate. I don't know if you let it marinate for an hour, but what I will tell you, you cannot and probably should not do is use heat, because it has eggs. Like, what happens when you heat up eggs? It like cooks, it solidifies. And so you're gonna just want to put maybe like a processing cap over your head and maybe use a scarf and a hat to kind of like generate a little bit of body heat. Not enough to like cook the product in your hair, but enough to like, you know, open up your strands a little bit so that this penetrates into your hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like in my hair. And I kid you not, look, my curls are for sure popping. Look at that. Even my twists don't even want to stay in. Like low-key shook. So let me just twist this back up, and then I'm going to put a shower cap on, and I'm actually gonna let this sit for an hour. I'm gonna do a couple of things, like handle some business, prep myself for tomorrow's work day, and then I will wash it out with cool water and call it a day. So yes, this is what my hair looks like with the Cardi B treatment, the Cardi B hair treatment in my hair. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like, sus.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after washing the conditioner out, and it feels soft, but I will say that it feels extremely strong, and that makes sense because, like I said, it's a protein treatment. And so just to give you a sense of what my hair looks like when I take it down, it's kind of looking like this. Honestly, my hair feels super strong. It's definitely a protein treatment. I wouldn't use this more than once a month, to be honest. I do think it got my curls to pop. Like I said, what's interesting about it is while my hair feels super strong, I feel like there's a, maybe it's the olive oil, but it feels like there's a coat of like oil over it that's making my hair feel smooth at the same time. So it's kind of crazy. I'm not used to that kind of a feeling. I was gonna go in with rice water like Cardi B did in her little clip, but I decided against that because my hair feels super strong. Like, that treatment was a protein treatment, and rice water behaves like a protein treatment, and so I don't think it makes sense to layer protein on protein. So I'm gonna skip the rice water, and I'm gonna just use rose water and do my LCO method to basically seal in the moisture in my hair. I definitely think Cardi B is onto something in using this as a protein treatment. I think I'm gonna try this out a couple more times just to get a better sense of like how I would use this, because like I said, my hair feels super strong right now, and I have mixed feelings about this because I don't even think my hair feels this strong after a henna treatment, which is kind of mind-blowing to me. Which means it's an effective natural protein treatment, but I'm not gonna really know for sure until I observe how my hair reacts days after this treatment. So I'll keep you guys updated with future videos and let you guys know what my thoughts are on this. But yeah, I'm gonna jump into my LCO method. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I think Cardi B is dope for using DIY products, and I'll be back with updates on this. So this is